Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna discuss the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. Stay tuned to see if this card is good for you. If you're on the hunt for rewards credit card that offers great perks, stay tuned. So, without further ado, the best card for Wells Fargo is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Let's kick things off with the basics. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card comes with a fantastic intro offer. Earn a $200 cash bonus after spending just $500 in your first 3 months. Not too shabby, right? What really sets this card apart is the unlimited 2% cash reward on all purchases. That's right, no categories to track or hassle to remember. Just spend, earn, and redeem. Plus, your cash rewards never expire as long as your account remains open. Now let's talk about fees. This card has a $0 annual fee, which is a major win. It always offers 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. After that, variable APR ranges from 19.74% to 29.74%. Just remember, if you transfer a balance, there's a fee of 3% for the first 120 days. Then it increases up to 5%. One of the hidden gems of this card is the Visa Signature benefits. You can get access to 24/7 concierge service, making it super easy to plan events, book travels, and more. Plus, there is up to $600 in cell phone protection against theft or damage when you pay your bill with this card. While there are so many positives, it's worth mentioning a couple of downsides. The balance transfer fee can be a bit steep if you wait too long, and there's a 3% foreign currency conversion fee, so keep that in mind if you travel a lot. So, is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card right for you? If you're looking for a straightforward rewards card with a solid perks and no annual fee, I'd say it's definitely worth considering. For more information, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you on the next one.